It's the season of openings at Silver Dollar City, and they've got another one this weekend.
So stay tuned to the end to see everything it has to offer.
So I wanted to interrupt and let you guys know that today's video is brought to you by Hoka shoes. We are affiliated with them and we absolutely love these shoes. These are our theme park shoes. They are great for walking, running, or anything. They are great on our feet, and they even make recovery shoes for you to use. So we highly recommend these shoes. These are mine. These are the Rincon 3s. Ashley wears the Bondi 8s and she absolutely loves them. I plan on getting another pair very, very soon. But these are the Rincon 3s. I chose red because it is my favorite color. So anyway, use the link in the description box below to get your pair today. It really helps us out, bring you quality videos that you guys like to watch. All right, back to the video. So welcome back to BA Adventures, everyone. And today we are going to Sadie's Pretzel Cafe,
Yes.
home of the world famous Pretzel dog. So anyway, it is actually right up here. We're going to go get some food and sample it for you guys and let you guys see what you can get here and maybe something might interest you. So anyway, we are going to head right over here and show you everything that it's going to have to offer and then get some things that we are interested in first and you may be interested in as well. So anyway, come with us. We are outside Sadie's Pretzel Cafe and there is a little bit of a line. Ash has our spot over there. It is the grand opening day today. So anyway, like we discussed earlier with this park this food spot with one of our other videos, you'll notice that these screens are for sure the menu. So anyway, we are looking into this to see what we could possibly get today. So anyway, when we get closer up there, we'll tell you what we're gonna get, and then yeah, let you guys see what we get and give you our review of it. So anyway, we're gonna go wait in line. All right, so we have just gotten our food from Sadie's Pretzels, and let's start with the pretzels that we got.
Yeah.
So we will start with the cinnamon and icing one. I'm not gonna touch it, so I'm gonna keep from getting my hands a little sticky. But look at all of that cinnamon sugar all over that thing. We thought it came with icing, so we didn't get any icing with it, but I bet you adding that was going to be all right. And then we've got the everything season, which is, as we assumed before, everything bagel seasoning. And then I'm just going to show the bratwurst one because the hot dog
really
one
hot.
just came out. But here is the bratwurst pretzel. These things look actually really good.
I
I'm
will
kind of
say
surprised.
that I could literally look and watch them rolling dough and making these pretzels. So right now the sandwiches are not available. So
Unfortunately.
keep that in mind right now. It says it's coming soon. And then when I was watching them make them, like, they are going through it really fast. So I mean, if you see a line, just be patient. They're gonna get it to you.
Yeah, they are. They are. If they say like 10 minutes, like I don't think we've sat here for 10 minutes waiting, but they said it was going to be about 10 to 15 on like our pretzels, and our pretzels came first.
Oh, and I want to say, the sides, you got cheese that you can get, and icing.
Cheese, icing, and like a sweet chili dipping sauce.
Sauce.
So this is actually the cheese.
It's actually a
one.
big container.
It is. I mean, like that's pretty like, for reference, palm of my hand, how tall it is.
But then you have your sides of broccoli slaw, and then also, what am I thinking? Oh, chips.
Yep,
The
kettle chips.
So the kettle chips are in bags. They're not actually making the chips, just so you know.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna actually try and like dip into this bratwurst to start. And dip it into the old cheese here. Let's see what we've got. There we go.
It's messy. Is it good? How many pretzels do you give it as a rating?
It's good. The bratwurst is like not like a Johnsonville brat like I would expect it to be.
Okay.
It's more like a sausage, like a link of sausage.
Okay.
So that kind of takes it down a little for me, personally.
So how many pretzels out of 5? 1 to 5.
3.5 maybe.
I don't
give
like
it a 3.5.
fries, so I'm not trying that.
That's fine.
I'm
I mean, I'll
eat
eat. Like, it's good. Don't get me wrong. Like, I think it's great.
Yeah.
But this is an option. But if I was looking for like a bratwurst pretzel, I would think Johnsonville brat wrapped up in the pretzel. I mean, I know that things are expensive, so that's probably why they went with this option for brats.
It's a foot long, though. It's a big.
It is a foot long. It's going to be
deal.
plenty of food, especially with the pretzel in there.
So I'm not going to try my hot dog yet because I know it's still hot. So I'm going to try a little bit of the everything
Ooh, yeah.
bagel.
I'm going to get a piece of that. Oh, can you?
Give me a second.
Okay.
All right. That's very good.
Was it a good choice to go with the cheese with this? I was debating between the cheese and the chili with this one. Okay.
Okay.
It's a little different. Like I'm used to like just the regular salt, kind of like what's on this one.
I like it though. It's different and I like it.
I do too. Kind of like it. I'm kind of intrigued to see what kind of festival foods this place will
I
have.
hope it'll offer something.
Something unique.
Yeah.
I have a feeling.
They are kind of messy.
I wanted to give the brat a second shot. Brat's still 3.5. What do you give the everything bagel?
I would give it a 3. I like it. There's nothing I don't like about it. But it is just a pretzel.
Yep. Yeah.
I think I like it better than a traditional one though.
Okay.
I would go with this one.
Okay. I'll give it a 4. It's got that little extra taste to it and everything, and combined with the
Peppery
cheese.
and
Now I
salt.
wonder if the dipping sauces changes things. So we may next time have to try and get some dipping sauces and see if that changes some stuff.
You may have it because it might be spicy for me.
It might be. All right. I am gonna go with after this hot dog.
I'm gonna have you just try it first.
Okay. She's gonna have me try it first and make sure it's not like hot or something. So I'm gonna guess it's gonna be very similar to the brat.
How many pretzels do you give this one?
I actually like the hot dog better.
Oh my goodness.
I give that one a 4.
This is kind of messy.
It is very messy.
It's really hot.
I didn't think it was that hot. Yeah.
I'm like a 5. I really like this. The
Wow.
cheese is super good with it. I'm not gonna lie.
Wow, I did not expect
I
that one
really
to be
like
a 5.
it. Right? This might be my new place to go eat at.
Oh boy.
Same.
Oh boy. All right, well, I'm gonna try the cinnamon one real fast, just so that way we can tell you guys what we think about it, and then finish our food because this is our lunch for the day. So.
I wish we got icing, but
I do too. Have you ever had like those? Wow,
is it good?
it's good.
Excited.
I really do wish we had the icing now because like you guys are gonna freak out about what I'm about to tell you. If you've ever had like the dessert pizza, like the cinnamon dessert
Yeah.
pizza, that's what this tastes like from Pizza Hut or.
Wait, so my first piece didn't have a whole lot of cinnamon. So
Okay.
it's the crust
Yeah. Yeah.
of that pizza.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like. I think it like I give this a solid 4.5. This is a great dessert. Actually, I might give it a 5. Nope, I'm changing it. 5.
I really wish
This
we
is
had
a
the
great
icing
dessert.
now. I really wish we had the icing now.
This would pair very well with the fire and the whole ice cream.
Because that ice cream is so good.
It is really
It
good.
is my favorite ice cream. And I usually like Time Traveler, but I like it way better.
Yeah, yeah. If you guys didn't see our last video of us trying it, like we for sure think that it is the best ice cream you can get here now. It was Time Traveler, and now it's this, or now it's Fire in the Hole. But honestly, this food, solid. Okay, I'm gonna venture out onto something here. Some people say to take cinnamon twist and dip it into the cheese at Taco Bell. I'm gonna dip this into cheese. I can't believe I'm doing this.
Gross.
Okay. Y'all that do that, you're crazy. You're crazy.
I told you it wasn't gonna be good.
It's not bad.
It's not good.
But it's not like, oh my gosh. I don't know. Y'all crazy. Y'all crazy out there. No. Anyway, we're going to enjoy our food, and then we will talk to you afterwards and give you our overall feel of Sadie's. So, anyway, talk to you guys when we're done eating. So before we get talking about Sadie's, this is actually the seating area behind the building. This used to be where Taste of the City was. So for a little extra reference of landmarks for you, it is right next to Fireman's Landing and the spinning hot air balloons. So anyway, right over here, it's a great place to sit. You've got the train will drive by as well, as you guys could probably hear it just there. And you've got some pretty nice views from up here of Fireman's Landing. You can see a little bit of Mystic River Falls over there, and right across, Lake Silver. So anyway, we're going to see you guys in a second. All right, so Sadie's Pretzel Cafe is open, and we absolutely enjoyed it.
Yes, I like it so much. It's maybe my next stop.
Yeah.
Like every time we eat, I may want to go here.
Yeah, I agree. The pretzel bratwurst actually got better as I ate it. So, like, my rating probably goes up a little bit for it. So,
what is it now?
That. I'd give it a 4. I'd give it a solid 4.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
So,
Definitely.
One interesting thing while we started eating is that the there's like 2 links. So it's
So it doesn't come as one full foot long brat. It's long enough to be a foot long inside of there, but they have to use 2 6-inch ones because I don't think you can buy a foot long brat. So anyway, that being said, guys, if you have not eaten at Sadie's yet, you really should. It is totally worth it. The food is great so far. Everything that we had was great. I would highly recommend this.
Look forward to trying those sandwiches too,
Oh yeah,
for sure.
Yeah, those sandwiches are definitely something that we are super looking forward to try, and hopefully they're here the next time we visit. So anyway, that being said, if you want to keep up with more information or see whenever we give our ratings for those sandwiches, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
bell notification button
so that you guys don't miss out on any more of our theme park adventures. And with that,
we're going to the next adventure.
bye guys.